Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and hygiene with a spotlight on a must-have for all makeup enthusiasts: the JEGO Makeup Brush Cleaner Solution. This product has garnered attention for being the best makeup brush cleaning spray on the market, and for good reason. With its powerful formula designed to remove makeup, dirt, and oil, it promises to keep your brushes in top condition, ensuring flawless makeup application every time. The JEGO Makeup Brush Cleaner is an 8-ounce liquid cleanser that stands out not only for its effectiveness but also for its commitment to quality and safety. Made in the USA, this hypoallergenic and plant-based solution is free from parabens and phthalate, making it a safe choice for all skin types, especially for those with sensitive skin. One of the key features of this cleaner is its universal formula, which effectively breaks down caked-on foundation, concealer, and powders without damaging the bristles of your brushes. Using the JEGO Makeup Brush Cleaner is incredibly easy. Simply wet your brush, pour a small amount of cleaner into a bowl, massage the bristles, rinse them facing downwards, and let them air dry. For those who want an even deeper clean, the product comes with a textured bowl designed to enhance the cleaning process. The ridges in the bowl ensure that the cleaner penetrates deeply into the bristles, maximizing its effectiveness. What sets the JEGO cleaner apart is not just its cleaning power but also its ability to prolong the life of your makeup tools. Regular cleaning with this solution helps maintain the quality of your brushes and sponges, which can, in turn, prevent breakouts and promote healthier skin. It's recommended to clean your brushes at least once a week to keep them in pristine condition. With a solid rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 150 reviews, users have praised the JEGO Makeup Brush Cleaner for its performance and ease of use. Customers have noted how it effectively removes stubborn makeup residues while leaving their brushes feeling soft and new. The feedback highlights that this product not only meets but often exceeds expectations, making it a staple in their beauty routines. In conclusion, the JEGO Makeup Brush Cleaner solution is a powerful ally in your makeup regimen, ensuring that your brushes are clean, hygienic, and ready for use. Its hypoallergenic, plant-based formula is a bonus for those conscious about what they apply to their skin. If you're looking for an efficient and reliable brush cleaner, this product is definitely worth a try. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and product insights. Happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next video.